Let me show you 5 professional speed ramp tricks you're probably not using in Premiere Pro. Speed ramping makes normal footage feel powerful, dynamic, and cinematic, and these 5 methods will give you much smoother, cleaner, and more modern-looking ramps than the basic version everyone already knows. Before we start, make sure your clip is on the timeline. Your sequence is set to 60 frames per second at least for smoother motion, and that you are working on the original unscaled footage for clean ramps. Trick 1. The Smooth Speed Ramp. First, right-click on your clip and hover over to Show Clip Keyframes, then go to choose Time Remapping and select Speed. Extend the height of your video track so you can see the speed line clearly. Move the playhead to the exact moment where you want your ramp to begin. Hold Ctrl and click the speed line to add a keyframe. Then move a bit forward and add another keyframe. Now drag the right keyframe upward to increase the speed. After that, click and drag the left keyframe's handle to the left, and also the right keyframe's handle to the right, creating a smooth speed ramp transition. This removes the harsh speed jump and replaces it with a professional, gradual transition that feels much more natural than a basic linear ramp. If your ramp looks choppy, move back to the clip, right-click it, choose Speed Duration, open Time Interpolation, and set it to Optical Flow. Confirm it, and the ramp becomes buttery smooth. Trick 2. Reverse Ramp for Impact. For this next trick, move the playhead a bit before the action begins, and press C, then crop a little part of the video, just like me. Now right-click to open the Speed Duration window and check the Reverse Speed option. This reverses the clip for a split second, which builds anticipation. Now, place 2 keyframes right after the reverse section and push the speed up on the second keyframe. Curve the handles just like the previous trick. This creates a professional reverse to forward impact ramp that adds tension and then launches the viewer forward. It's extremely cinematic when used before a transition. Trick 3. Double ramp for high energy shots. Now for the double speed ramp. Move your playhead to the first place where you want speed. Add 2 keyframes, increase the speed on the second one, and create a smooth curve. Then move forward in the clip and add a second pair of keyframes. This time, drag the second ramp even higher, making the speed increase again. When you play it back, you'll see 2 ramp moments, one for acceleration and one for the final burst. This is popular in travel edits, dance videos, and automotive B-roll because it adds rhythm to the motion rather than a single predictable ramp. Trick 4. The Freeze Frame Pause Ramp. Place the playhead exactly at the moment you want to freeze. Cut the clip. Right-click the cut section, choose Add Frame Hold, and Premiere freezes that frame. Now extend the frozen part for 1 or 2 seconds. Add a crossfade if you want it even smoother. Then, at the end of the freeze, add 2 keyframes and ramp into a fast forward speed. This creates a cinematic pause. Then Speed Blast, effect you see in commercials and sports videos. It gives the viewer time to register the moment before launching into high-speed motion. Trick 5. Ramp transition into the next clip. Finally, drag another clip onto the timeline for this one. Go to the end of your first clip and add 2 time remap keyframes, then raise the second keyframe to speed up the ending. Now go to the beginning of the next clip, add 2 keyframes there, and lower the first keyframe so the second clip starts in slow motion. Curve all handles so both ramps are smooth. What this does is create a flowing fast to slow transition between 2 clips without using any preset. It blends them seamlessly using only speed changes. After applying all 5 tricks, always review your ramp timing, adjust the curves if they feel too sharp, and ramp at full quality. These small adjustments turn simple ramps into smooth, cinematic movements. If you find this tricks new and helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.